The second sentence type follows a similar pattern to type 1. First, you have the subject, which will be a noun phrase. That's followed by a be verb, and that verb is followed by an adverbial complement of time or place. There are 4 examples we'll look at. Jesse is outside, where Jesse is the subject, is our conjugation of be, and outside is an adverb that tells us where something happened. Note that outside could also be a noun depending on how it's functioning in a sentence. For example, we could say, the outside of the house has fresh paint. It's always important to look at what a word is doing in a sentence before determining its part of speech. Next, we have her job interviews were yesterday. Third, Cheryl's notebook must have been on the desk. And fourth, the reception will be at noon. To reiterate, each sentence will follow the same pattern, which is what makes it a type 2 sentence. We'll begin with a noun phrase that acts as the subject, answering the questions who or what. We'll follow that up with a linking verb, be, in some form or another, and then we'll finish with an adverb phrase answering the questions when or where. Like we mentioned, our subject is Jesse, and our verb is, with outside being an adverb of place. We draw a clause line and bisect it to divide our subject from our predicate and place the subject, Jesse, at the start. Then, after the dividing line goes is. We then draw a diagonal line from the verb downward to show that outside, our adverb of place, is modifying our verb is. In the next example, it's a bit harder to find our subject. While it might seem like her is the subject, her is a pronoun that expresses ownership. It's possessive, and possessive pronouns are modifiers, just like adjectives. Think of it this way. If I asked which truck needed to have its lights lowered to be considerate to other drivers, you might say the blue truck or her truck. Either way, you're indicating which one, which is a question answered by an adjective. Job is another interesting case as it's an attributive noun. Your reading this week discussed these, but some nouns function as modifiers. Tennis and basketball are both nouns, but they can be attributive nouns too, as in tennis court or basketball court. Our true subject here is interviews. Our verb is were, which is the past tense plural of be, and our adverb of time is yesterday. Clause line, divide, and place the subject and verb in the right spot. Then note the modifiers and what they are modifying, so place those in the right spot too. In the next example, we have another possessive word, this time a name, Cheryl, made possessive with an apostrophe S. Our verb is must have been, a 3-word verb made of 2 auxiliary verbs, must and have, and the main verb, be, conjugated into the perfect conjugation of be, been. You don't necessarily need to know all of that, but I'll link the Wikipedia article with the fuller description of these verb types in the description of this video. Clause line, divide, make a mistake, erase your mistake, then do it right. Now, we should also notice our adverb of place, on the desk, is more than one word too. This is a prepositional phrase that is functioning as an adverb. This one is made up of 3 words, the preposition on, the determiner the, and the noun that is the object of the preposition desk. Together, though, they are performing the same function as a single adverb like there or outside. To diagram that, we draw a crooked line connecting it to the area it modifies, with our preposition landing on the angled part and the object of the preposition on the flat part. Any determiners or modifiers go on angled lines below that. Our last example is, the reception will be at noon. Our subject is receptioned, and our verb again has an auxiliary attached. This time it's will be. By now I think you know the drill, so pause the video and try it here before you watch. Thanks, and keep an eye out for diagramming type 3 sentences soon.